Let's start our weekend off with some creativity. I'm Molly Phillip and this is Studio Saturdays, and today's craft we'll be making foam block prints inspired by a woodcut by Albrecht Dürer.
For today's project you'll need a foam sheet, 1 tube of paint, the brayer roller from our Yinka Shonobare craft, 1 sheet of white paper, and a pencil. You can find everything but the pencil in our art kit, but you might want to grab a pencil in case you want to practice your design before carving them into your foam sheet. But before we get started, let's take a closer look at our featured artwork from the collection. This is Albrecht Dürer's The Seven Trumpets from the Apocalypse series, made in 1511 and is a woodcut on paper. Albrecht Dürer was a very famous German painter and printmaker from the Renaissance, a period that transitioned the Western world from medieval to modern, with advances in science, the arts, and politics. One of the most important inventions from the Renaissance was Johannes Gutenberg's release of the printing press in 1440, which made it possible for copies of books, art prints, and political pamphlets to be made on a large scale. Before the printing press, books had to be hand-copied page by page by monks, as they were some of the only people who were taught how to read, and artists could not easily advertise or copy their work to be more cheaply sold to a wider audience. Printmakers like Albrecht Dürer made their art using the woodcut printing process. First, the artist sketched out the design for their print. Then, the artist carved this design into a block of wood. Carving removes the parts the artist doesn't want to show up on paper. Then, the artist uses a brayer to roll ink evenly across their design before stamping the design onto a piece of paper. Be sure to take another look at the Seven Trumpets to appreciate the incredible level of detail Albrecht Dürer was able to achieve. Today, we'll be following in Albrecht Dürer's footsteps by making our own foam block prints. My carving will be of a trumpeting angel after Dürer's work, but your design can be anything you'd like. Think back to our Yinka Shonobare craft. How did you pick your design for your fabric? If you had another idea you wanted to try, feel free to use it for this project, or come up with a new design. Like that craft, think about creating a design that represents you, something you like, or even something that represents your favorite book, as The Seven Trumpets was created to be an illustration for the Bible. Here's some questions to think about while you work. What did you choose for your design, and why? And how does it feel to use a process that's over 500 years old? Let's start by taking a foam sheet and outlining it onto a sheet of white paper. This will ensure your drawing fits onto your foam sheet. You can draw any illustration you'd like on the inside of that outline. I'll be drawing a trumpet-playing angel inspired by Dürer's work. Once you've finished your drawing, place a foam sheet under your drawing and line it up properly. After you've lined up your foam sheet, take a tack and make small holes along your lines. This will help you transfer your drawing onto the foam sheet. This is also the same transfer method used to create frescoes or wall paintings during the Renaissance. Take a pencil and recreate your drawing onto the foam sheet by connecting your dots. Press firmly to create deep lines into your foam. These deep lines will work just like the cuts Dürer made into his wooden blocks. Now apply your paint to a flat, disposable, or cleanable surface. The foam trays from your Yinka Shonobare craft work great, as does a piece of plexi or plastic plate. If you still have your brayer from our Yinka Shonobare craft, roll it into the paint with firm pressure to get an even coating. Now roll your brayer over your stamp to achieve an even coat on the foam sheet. I recommend you apply paint to the full foam block to get a more finished look. Lay your foam sheet face down onto a sheet of paper and press down firmly and evenly. Now you can lift your foam sheet carefully so that you don't shift it. And there's your relief print.
Thank you so much for joining us today. We made woodblock prints inspired by Albrecht Dürer, and next week we'll be making paper stained glass windows inspired by the studio of Louis Comfort Tiffany. Hope to see you then.
Thanks again for joining us for Studio Saturdays. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the notification bell to find out when a new video is uploaded. Have a good day!